Mademoiselle!
Again.
Mademoiselle!
Again! Welcome to our channel. I'm Shaliqua.
I'm Josh.
And you are in the kitchen with the both of us. So, on our first episode, we're making pizza. Because that's what my man wants. So that's what my man gonna get. Right, babe?
That's right. And also tune in next week. We'll be having grits with noodle gravy with a side of mashed potatoes and cream brulee. Yeah.
I like that. That sounds good.
That's gonna be lovely.
Anyway, before we get started, can you guys subscribe to our channel? Turn on your post notification bell. That way you can receive a notification every time we upload a new video. And let's get cooking. Because, baby, I'm hungry. You hungry? We ain't eat all day. So, let's get into it.
Y'all see my head?
Isn't his hat cute? It says chef.
That's it. That's all I say.
We're doing a meat lovers pizza.
I like that voice. Keep up.
Okay, so today we're doing a meat lovers pizza. We got pepperoni, we got bacon, and we got sausage. They didn't want ham, so we didn't get no ham, okay? We got our pizza crust, we got our prego traditional, and we got some mozzarella sticks because we're gonna have crust. What's it called? Stuffed crust pizza. Some parsley and whatever this is. And that's about everything. So that's it now. Enough. Welcome to the Josh Shaliqua Show.
Baby, you done tell them that. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Okay.
It's all right.
So first we're gonna cook our bacon and sausage. And to avoid using so many dishes, I'm gonna put them in the same pot. I don't really care. They're both pork. Okay. Okay. This right here, what we call cooking bacon. All right, we got Chef Josh in the kitchen. If you don't put that parsley up, we don't need that. Flicks and iris now. Flicks and iris.
I'm serious.
Man, for the camera, babe. Just
You got it.
I got it.
You got it.
Can you cook the bacon, please? Oh, it's making crispy from the yum. I start with Cooking the sausage. I know it look like insides. I know.
That part of me.
Now we're just gonna chop it up to make sure it doesn't all cook. Spread it together. It's like cooking some hamburger meat. You know, make it SpaghettiOs. It's just sausage. All right, you got the sausage.
Really good. That smells so good. It smells like Pizza Hut.
Okay, that's enough of that because we gotta put it in the oven, babe.
All right, turn it on.
Look at that boy trying to whoop out. Sorry. I'm so sorry. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. No? You don't like that?
I like that. I was trying to say I like that. I'm not
Can
the
you
real
stop?
Josh. She cloned me.
Okay.
She killed them. Okay, babe. All right.
What is wrong with you? Hey, while I wait on Josh, I'm gonna start cutting up the bacon bits. I mean, the bacon to make them smaller because I don't know what he's better doing. He's test tasting the meat when he got no business doing it. He's so greedy out his mouth.
No, man.
Child, while I'm doing this, you could be getting your pizza dough ready. You gotta tell me what to do all the time. all the time. They can't do nothing. Why you did that? You so greedy.
I didn't know.
Josh, stop now.
Hey, don't be, man. You doing good, hey.
All right, we're back. So, this is the crust we have. You see it? It's Pillsbury. Double it. Let's get the crust open. Open it. I want to make it pop. What? What the pop? It wasn't loud enough. I didn't know I was gonna do it that easy. Alright. Let's play with some dough. Take it out, man. Our hands are clean. I think. You know how me know.
I wash my hands.
Oh, you got an opening.
Oh.
Oh, smart.
I knew that.
Did you really? I put it on the counter. So we kind of want to put it over the pizza because we got to fill it with some mozzarella. All right, so we have these for the mozzarella sticks. And we're going to put them like on the outside, kind of fold them. That's kind of like what the girl did on the video. Let's see how we're going to do this. So she did like 1,
See, I was going to be circled though, so.
2.
Well, she, okay, I see what you're saying.
What she was?
No.
We ain't gotta do what she did. You wanna be with her or something? You wanna go be with her or something? Constantly talking about what she did. This is what I'ma do. I don't need nobody else controlling my household, trying to cook for my man anyway. No. Anything else? Like I thought. Hold on. Go ahead, roll that thing up. Be back. Y'all stay with Josh for a minute.
You recording?
Yes, keep it entertained.
So you telling me the camera's on? Oh boy.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Put the cheese down, Josh.
I'm not eating that cheese.
What are you doing?
I do like cheese, but
What are you doing, love?
that's disgusting. I don't like that cheese. That cheese nasty. I'm not doing anything.
How you know the cheese nasty?
I still the bacon.
How you know the cheese nasty? You supposed to eat it.
I still the
Oh,
bacon.
you stole some bacon?
No, I did not.
A sausage?
No, I'm waiting on you. I'm just standing here.
You're lying. What are you chewing on, so?
Hmm?
Huh? A pizza probably is not going to be a full circle, but this is what we have. That's some good. What you using, love? What kind of butter is that?
Garlic and herb butter.
Can y'all see? There you go.
With these two. Seasonings.
And that's it.
Yep.
Oh, look what I got you. You didn't even know he was going to need that.
That's a brush. Ooh.
I
was just in my mind. I was like,
a brushy
dang.
brush. We got a brushy brush. Let me rinse it off. Let me wash it off. Sorry, not rinse. Use some detergent. Tell me what you're doing.
I melted the butter.
Ain't nothing prepared. Oh.
Add a little parsley. Come on out of there. I'll add that. Oh, Lord.
So So he melted butter, added parsley, and now adding this seasoning. And gonna spread that bad boy around.
If you want to, just to help, you can pour a little bit like that.
What he say?
Just paint it on it like that, right? So you have some good flavor crust.
I love.
What's that painter name? Mona Scott Young.
I think that's the lady that run Love and Hip Hop.
What's the painter name?
All I know is Picasso.
Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
Yeah. Same thing. Them the same people. Them the same people. All right. That's good.
Okay, babe. It looks good. Do somebody want to be our cameraman? Come on. We paying $20 an hour.
And we only cook 30 minutes.
So you ain't even getting $20. You get about $10. Ooh, this is some funny stuff. What's next? That's
I
enough.
was making sure it was good,
Trying to
man.
have high
I don't
cholesterol.
have no cholesterol on the Pedro.
Prego.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Prego. It's for your tomato sauce.
That's it.
Need some more tomato than that.
Yeah.
My piece
about
of
to say I
dry.
had
Can I do some?
Man, go ahead. Go ahead.
You ain't let me do
I
nothing.
ain't that type of
Put
person.
some more on there.
Get you some shine.
Thank you.
Get you some shine, baby.
Okay. Hey, show the camera what you using.
Cheese.
Mozzarella. They got enough.
I'm using cheese, y'all.
Mozzarella cheese.
I'm sorry.
What if they want to make the recipe?
I'm sorry.
Do it. Almost done. Ooh. Pretty. Really pretty. Time to add the toppings. So we got pepperoni first. Uh-oh, excuse me. Time to add the pepperoni. All right, babe, here. Bacon and sausage here. Where we gotta? We ain't gonna put them on the top after that, right? You know I like pepperoni. Pepperoni pizza. It's not enough.
Nope. I can get that by myself.
Oh yeah, you put some more up there. Too many, right? Huh? You said it's too many?
There's a lot. That's good. That's good.
No more. Why are you looking like that? First, I'm gonna do sausage first because I want bacon on top. So we're gonna spread the sausage. That sausage cool. Spread some sausage with me. Josh, I know he know how to burn up something.
Yeah, you see why I've been eating it, ain't it?
That's some good. That's some good. Huh? I think it was good. No more bacon. Joshua. Okay, Joshua. Okay, you gotta put one layer of cheese.
You gonna cover the
This is
cheese?
how Dominique loves it. She put a layer of cheese on top. Yeah, she did. Go back and watch it. I bet you she did. Didn't ever think we're right. Get peace.
She did!
I know she did. I know you never listen to me. And one more layer of cheese to top it off.
Just a little bit.
What is that?
Seasoning.
And we'll be back in about how many minutes? Let's say about 15, 20. Wait. That's what she's looking like. can't get the camera. I don't know if they can see me. Now we're gonna put her in that. Let me do that. We're back. That means the pizza is done.
All done.
Y'all ready to see how we did? Let's bring out the pizza. Let's bring out the pizza. Oh. Let's bring out the pizza. 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 You burn yourself? You burn yourself?
I'm good. Watch out.
You said it's what?
That's how I got it.
It's very toasty.
Too hot.
Oh, that's hard. Okay, this is how it came out. Look at that burn.
Alright, it's supposed to be that nice for good crust.
Turn the light on a little bit. Let me see.
It's a little dark, man.
Okay, it look better. It look better. It look better. It look better. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, right down, up and down. We got a triangle piece. That's okay. We made pizza. Time to eat, time to eat. Cheesy.
I'm gonna take that piece out.
Oh, it looks good. My pizza ain't that cute. Put it away, put it away. Let me get it right there. Come on now. That is good. What is it? Alright. That concludes the end of this video. Because our camera's dying. But thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed our first cooking video. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe. Leave us a comment, turn on your notification bell. That way you can receive notification every time we upload a new video. And we will be doing these at least once or twice a week. So, yeah. We're going to give y'all a quick taste test.
I'm gonna taste it without ranch first.
You ready? Go.
That's good.
Real good. That's some good. Good? I can't eat on camera. I gotta go. But guess what? Thanks for vibing out with us. I'm Shaliqua.
I'm Josh. Power to the people.
And we are in the kitchen cooking up some pizza. In the kitchen cooking up some pizza. In the kitchen cooking up some pizza. Freestyle, baby. In the kitchen cooking up some pizza. Cooking up some pizza. Go ahead.
And I'm out.
Bye, y'all.